So hello everyone, today's scenario we are going to implement this thing. If we are going to create a new incident and that caller already has pending more than 4 incident, okay, which is in the new state or means which incidents are still active, so they can't create a new incident. Okay, so take this example for the able tutor. Okay, control C. If I'm going to open the incident dot list, so let me open that incident dot list from here. And if I am group do the show matching for the able tutor, so system is showing able tutor has 7 incident which is active. Okay, so I have created one business rule and it is a before insert business rule. So here I have used the glide aggregate for taking the count of the able tutor all the active incidents. So what I did, vad gr new glide record incident, then I'm adding the entry at aggregate, and there I'm using the count method of the glide aggregate. So glide aggregate is the extension of the glide record specifically for doing the mathematical things. There I am using gr.add query caller id field with the current.caller id, add active query for checking the active incident, gr.query while I need the count of all of those things. Then I am writing like this: if count is greater than 4, then gs.add error message. Okay, so this message I don't need. I'm going to give a new thing like this. Okay, hi, sorry, you have already count active instance, so you cannot create new. Okay, then I'm using current.set about action. That one we're using for stopping or preventing the insertion of the record. So let me save this script and then we're going to try this thing. Okay, let's say this able tutor, and let me trying to save this record. So it should not allow you. So what it is giving, you have already, there was the message. So if I'm going to the history, okay, so you guys can also see still if I'm reloading it, there are only 7 incidents for the able tutor. So let me again come to the history, click on the incident.new. Again I'm trying to create a new record for the able tutor, click on the test, and if I'm going to save it, it is giving me this kind of error, right? Okay, so now my question is, this is giving me the error, right? So now I can show you guys out of this thing. If I'm going to delete 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 4 incident I have deleted. Then if I'm going to delete it, so now if I'm going to save it, will it give me still that error? No, right? It has been created, as you guys can see. So this is a scenario where we can use the set about action and glide aggregate for checking the count and restricting the record. So next video we are going to learn about the sum, max, min, those operation of the glide aggregate. Okay, thank you.